I'm on my smartphone. Why? Because I'm going to show you how to hack with your smartphone. Okay, my purpose here isn't showing the best or like optimal high-end mobile environment. It's rather for people who can't afford a personal computer. I mean, without a doubt, you should get a computer if you can, but some people might just can't do it for some reason. So yeah, I think education should be accessible to anyone with any circumstance. So I'd like to show how you can learn hacking only with your smartphone. And because of that, the methods I'm going to show in this video don't require any jailbreak, so you don't have to void your warranty. Jailbreak means modifying your smartphone in an unofficial way so you can get root access. If you can jailbreak, that's good. It has a certain advantage for sure, but I think people who can't afford a computer might want to keep their warranty intact, because if you're rich enough to get a new smartphone, you should be able to get a cheap laptop, so you don't want to miss your precious smartphone. Okay, so the first app I'm going to introduce is this one, Firefox. This is a web browser. So why don't we need just a web browser? I mean, you have other web browsers like Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, etc. So, but they don't have this thing called the developer tool. So they have it on computer, but they don't have it on mobile. So yeah, actually Firefox doesn't have it either by default, but you can install an extension. So first install this Firefox from Google Play Store, and okay, after that you can get extension from here. Yeah, so find one called this Mobi. Oh no. Can I open up this? No. Anyway, you should get this Mobi DevTools. This is this extension allows you to run DevTool on mobile device. So okay, okay, let me show you. Open up Wikipedia and open this mobile DevTools. Yeah, and here I can see the source code of this page like this, and also I can see HTTP request from here like this. So this is quite handy for when you want to inspect a website. Sometimes you need it. Okay, next. This one, Termax. This is a shell emulator for Android. If you're using an iPhone, you can download ISH shell instead. This one, ISH shell, because Termax isn't available for iPhone. So and by using this kind of emulator, you can try out Linux commands and also use various tools for Linux. So, for example, host name. This is one of the Linux commands. Like this, you can run Linux command, and for some people, Termux might not be available if you use an old Android OS. So in that case, you should download this OnePlus terminal emulator, because this should work on Android 10. I don't know about 9, but maybe it works. Okay. So let me try out this thing's capability. I actually bookmark some websites here, CTF challenges, and this one, ownable.kr. By the way, I pronounce this PWN as own, because not pwn, because it was originally pronounced that way. Anyway, you can work on some hacking challenges here, but you need SSH for this, and SSH is a technology that allows you to access a remote computer securely, so you need to run this command from Termux. So sshfd at ownable.kr, and I need to specify 2020 like this. Connection reset. Wait a sec. Oh no, different port number. And guest. Okay. So now I access to this remote machine. So see, this is a challenge. I won't spoil the answer here, but for example, you can run ls command like this, and also cat command. If you don't know this kind of thing, you can just search Linux commands, and there are bunches of tutorials out there. Okay, exit. So with these two apps, you can start learning hacking just fine. But actually, I want to show a couple more things. So if you use some CTF websites like HTTP and TryHackMe, they often require a VPN connection to the environment to access the target machine, and you got use a VPN protocol like OpenVPN for that. But the thing is, without root access, without jailbreak, you can't run OpenVPN from Termux. So in that case, you can use this official OpenVPN app separately. You can upload a OpenVPN configuration file here. I won't do that, but yeah, you can. Okay. Yeah. Now I showed pretty much anything you can do on CLI, I mean command line interface. But what about GUI? I mean graphical environment. Sometimes you want to use a GUI tool. So by using unofficial apps, you can run a graphical Linux environment on your smartphone. And this, I'm using NetHunter OS. This is a mobile version of the famous OS called Kali Linux. And if you're on Android, this works with a root. Unfortunately, if you use iOS, you need jailbreak. So sorry for iPhone users. Okay, I won't show exact steps because it takes too long and I don't want to make this video extra longer. But if you want to download it, I bookmarked this one. Okay, go to this website and yeah, and after successfully installing it, you can run NetHunter from Termex like this. NH. Then I'm on Kali, and yeah. Oh, by the way, if you don't need GUI, you don't have to download these NetHunter Kex and the Hacker's Keyboard. These are for GUI. Okay, so Kex. I need to open up this one. Okay, so like this. Boom. This kind of clumsy, but yeah, at least you can run a GUI environment like this. Okay, this might work better if you buy a external keyboard and a mouse, maybe. Maybe I can run some hold on, the texts are too small. Okay, anyway, this is enough for today. Thanks for watching and see you again.